Wednesday, 3rd April, and it just seems like time is running, bruh. I think I said this sometime last year, if you have any dreams, any passions, anything you're happy about, try your best to follow it because, we're all here for a very, very short period of time. And interestingly enough, today's conversation is going to start off with an experience I feel everyone, given the opportunity and the blessing, should indulge in. I know most of you may be wondering, today we're starting off on a very different note, but it's something that I'm very, very happy to talk about. We're going to get into that. If you want to be a part of the conversation, if you're wondering what I'm talking about, tell someone to tell someone else. Get on social media. Very, very easy to find us. MX24TV. The hashtag, as always, is MXTV. Makes it easier to find us. I always say from opinions, suggestions, ideas, questions, this show basically is for you and it's by you because everything we talk about, stuff you want to see, stuff you want to talk about, stuff you're interested in. So we can't do any of this without you guys. I promise you for the next hour, we're going to have very, very interesting conversations. And like I've already said today, starting off on a very, very different note. So sit back, relax, enjoy. Quick commercial break. As soon as we get back, we're getting straight into the conversation. This is MX24 TV. This is MX Live. We'll be right back. MX24 TV, the hashtag is MX Live, makes it easier to find us, I've always said. So, whenever you tweet at the hashtag, of course, any questions on there, we go through our social media all the time. And the cool thing is, with all our shows, we post excerpts, on Instagram, on YouTube, on X. So just in case you miss anything or someone, who's interested misses anything, you just tell them and they can find us on there. Now, as I said earlier on, today we're kicking off very different note. It's all about going from place to place, having fun, and experiencing the best of times. I have Mr. Nilaye in the studio.
Charlie,
I'm loving the Afrocentricness, I don't have no beats. I feel very, very bad today.
Don't feel bad today
Oh, man.
because you're just saying it and you can get into it.
So I'm seeing South Africa, I'm seeing Ghana. Am I mistaken?
You're not mistaken.
I'm not mistaken. Is this just you? Are you a very Afrocentric person before we get to why you're here today?
Well, first of all, I'm a Ghanaian, proud to be from La.
Okay, nice.
LA guy,
Nice,
LA in
nice,
Ghana,
nice,
and
nice.
I'm also in the tourism industry. So
Yes.
should
What do you
know.
think about the tourism space right now, from a holistic point of view?
It is a great space. I encourage everybody to get in there. I'm saying that because there are opportunities everywhere. And then also it gives you the chance to explore wherever you want to go, whatever you want to do. That's a place where it is a liberty, to build upon whatever you have. You are accounting, marketing, whatever you are, get into that space and you will love it.
Okay, so
I'm telling you, bro.
there's more opportunity for us to attack it.
Yeah,
from
attack
what
it.
you're saying, like more people possibly can get involved.
Possibly can get in there.
Okay.
Shop bars, restaurant, drinking bars, everybody, because it's a chain.
Okay.
That everybody needs to join that chain.
Yeah. Interestingly enough, I don't know, from what you've just said, I'm getting it's not as difficult as it may seem to get involved.
Yeah.
Am I right if I say
it is not that difficult? It's not difficult to get in at all. All you need to do is to get the right steps, get the right structures, and you are in there.
Okay, so you work with Travel Planners Ghana.
Yes, I work with Travel Planners.
What is Travel Planners Ghana?
Travel Planners Ghana is one of the travel agents in Ghana, well known, and for your comfort, for your easiness and anything, wherever you want to go in the world, Travel Planners is there to make things easy for you.
Okay.
That hassle of, where should I go? That hassle of, what can I do?
Yeah.
We take all that hassle from you and say, okay, guy, you want to go. Where do you want to go? Where's your destination? Pa. This is how much you're paying. This is what we need from you.
Nee, I'm getting a lot of ease from you. Like, we hear these things, we want to take part in these things, but I don't know if it's because we don't, I just don't know why, but it seems like, getting into traveling and tourism, it seems people are, should I say hesitant because of maybe finances or the experiences? I don't know what the case is.
Yes, financing is part of it, It has to do with a general thing with Ghanaians.
Okay.
The moment the money gets into your hands, something is ready there for you to do.
Okay.
So what we at Travel Planners are saying is that we have what we call the Susu Travel.
Oh.
Put that money bit and pieces down, and when it's time for you to travel, it is easy for you to go.
Okay, okay.
So
okay,
we've opened that with a lot of people, and I can tell you last year we have over 30 people traveling on that Susu Travel.
So you actually help people?
Yes,
you
we
know?
help people with
Okay.
that. All we need, just come to our office, open the Susu Travel with us. Every month decide on what you are giving. So at a particular trip, we check your amount. Okay, if you want to go on this trip, your amount is good. You can go.
Oh, that's really cool.
So it's
Nee
cool,
is the
isn't
guy. Nee is that guy. I need to find a way, you know, to reach out to him more. I'm very happy he's here
we'll
today.
make it happen,
Yeah, but
you
that's
know.
really, really cool because, you know,
Yeah.
you might say, and it seems very simple, oh, I'm going to put this away for this.
Yeah.
But when you have a third party, you know, encouraging you, you know,
Yeah.
being that third eye, so to speak, to help you with that,
exactly.
it's really, really cool. And I appreciate you guys for that. So you guys have also been doing this for a while. And this year, for the first time this year, something is coming up in Cape Town.
Yeah.
Please tell me about this.
It's the celebration Cape Town.
Because I've never been to Cape Town. I always wanted to go.
You
I've never
would
been.
really love Cape Town. You really love Cape Town. So, you know, we did one last year in Joburg.
Okay.
But it was more like a nightlife thing, celebration. And Cape Town is an open place where you have a lot of stuff in there where you're going to enjoy. You know, you have the beaches, the white sands in there.
man.
And, you know, once you talk about celebration, you have some yacht in there. People are going to roll on it, and then we are going.
Yeah.
So we have this one coming up in Cape Town. We specifically put it in Cape Town because of the beach aspect of it, and then a lot of variety also in Cape Town. If it comes to nightlife, you do more of Joburg for nightlife, but then Cape Town is a place to be for the
man, my
luxury.
Instagram will
the
be
wine
so
tasting
lit.
is there.
Oh,
man, a lot of stuff in there. So
You know, I mean, I'm an exotic guy, so I'd really love to go on this. And the thing is, another aspect, you know, apart from the fact that you guys, you know, you put things in place, you know, to help people to travel. You give information about the traveling.
Exactly.
Things are actually broken down where people just, you know, give a certain amount, and a lot of stuff are taken care of. Please give us such examples.
So, example is, let me take this trip for example. You know, once you sign up for this trip, you know, now in South Africa, no visa.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
All you need is your return trip, you know, ticket, your hotel accommodation reservation, and that will be settled down with you. So all you need now is your cash, and we tell you how to pack.
Okay.
You know,
Yeah.
a lot of people would not know what to wear, what am I going to, so you come, before you sign up, we give you all these details.
Yeah.
This is what we're going to do, this is the free day, this is that, this is where everything.
Yeah.
So you know, okay, I need this up and fit to you.
I was about
to get
to
my
ask you,
pictures
you
and
know?
all that.
Yeah.
So we give all those
That's
vivid
cool.
things to make traveling easy for you. Number one, when you're traveling, you are out there to change the environment. Number two, to also distress whatever you've been going through here. And then you come back reformed. Number four, you need to bring memories.
Yeah.
You know, memories that you sit back and say, okay, I went to South Africa, I enjoyed this, I enjoyed that. I want to explore more of South Africa. You know, so we give you all those things. And of course, you know, just bringing your bulk money, and then your flight is taken care of, your accommodation is taken care of, your daily breakfast is taken care of, you know, your land transport is taken care of,
That's
all your tolls,
crazy.
entrance fees. It
Because
is
I'm seeing
easy
this
for
is the
you. Yeah.
artwork, you know, currently,
You know.
and it's got a lot of stuff on there. So as soon as he
Everything
came
in
in, I asked him like, "Are you guys sure?
Yes.
Is this all on there?" And he was like, "Yeah." And
not
you've
a
been doing
fluke.
this for a while too.
Whatever you see on the flyer there is happening live.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Nothing
okay.
is just being distorted or
Yeah, because I'm seeing
everything.
4 nights.
4 nights in there.
breakfast, you
Yes.
know,
Yeah.
okay.
4 nights in there. Everything. It's a cool 1,005.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. The flight is inclusive, you know, the
Yeah.
private airport transfers,
everything.
the winelands, and I really love to go for wine tasting.
Yeah.
I'm drinking too much water. I need to, you know, expand
The
my
color
horizon.
cars, man. You're going to
So
enjoy
this
it.
is happening from, am I right, 26th?
Yes,
to the
26th to
31st?
31st.
Okay,
Yes.
that's when it's happening.
That's
so there's
when it's
ample
happening.
time.
There's ample time for you. There's another one coming up in May, which is Joburg. And then we have a June one also coming. November 2 also coming.
Okay,
Yes.
so if somebody, you know, pays, you know, gets everything in place, from now till then, can they like constantly reach out and ask for information and all these things?
We are not far from your studio here. We're just like 10 minutes away. We're at Ajingano.
Okay.
At the motorway junction.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
before the Shell filling station.
Okay, very easy to
And
find.
you can come there. We'll sit down with you. We give you everything. You can reach us on all our social media handles: Instagram, Facebook, X, you know, LinkedIn. You can get all of us there in there. It's Travel Planners GH, and then we're
bro,
good to
this
go.
is
We have all
incredible.
our.
Yeah, find him on there, please. I was about to ask him, right? You know, Nee's got all the answers. I just need to get up. He's got all the answers. But again, I just think, you know, for the fact that, you know, people, you guys are giving people these experiences, because I've traveled a bit. Now, it's one thing seeing a place on Instagram and on X. It's a totally different thing actually being there.
Yeah.
What are some of, you know, your most exciting experiences from traveling, would you say? I'm sure you've got a lot.
Oh, there's a lot that I've got, but you know, SA gives you the vibe. You know, people. I tell people that you go to SA and you come out and you won't feel like going anywhere. The next vacation you want to go to SA because it's a huge place, a lot of places. Even driving along the countryside is something else. You know, amazing roads. You will love everything you see there, especially when you go to Soweto.
Okay.
Soweto is a place to. You can't go to South Africa without going to Soweto. You know, it talks about the apartheid. It talks about the Mandela. Mandela actually lived. He has a house there.
Okay.
Today, the house has been turned into a museum for people to come and see where Mandela lived. You know, the Vilakazi Street, which is like the famous street in there. That's one of the wonderful restaurants in there that everybody will want to go there and go and see. So South Africa is a place to be.
Oh man, I wish I was going. Yo, I want to go. I want to go to SA. But again, man, you know, I was going to ask you, what would you say to encourage people to come? I think we've said everything. I mean, the question is, why would you not go?
That's the thing. You know, why wouldn't you go to SA? You have to join this very train to go to SA because it's the experience. Even if you're a first timer, we know how to coach you to go through everything. Airport immigration, whatever you need at any point, entry point and everything. You know, South Africa is a great place. It's not only for the sightseeing, but you can also shop there.
Yeah.
They have huge shop. All these big brands, you know, that they are there and they are cheap. You know, affordable.
Yeah,
Everybody can go in there. So
really, really nice.
you have to join this train. And Travel Planners will take you to where you have to.
You have to. How do people actually reach out? Is it just through social media? Are there any numbers they can call?
Yes, there are numbers that you can call. We have about 3 numbers that you can reach us on that number, and I'm going to shout it out here for everybody to know. So the first one is 0244 626436.
Okay.
0244 626436. Then you have the 02400 46975. 02400 46975. These numbers you can reach us on.
Okay.
There's also a Vodafone you can reach us on, which is 020 868 1558. 020 868 1558.
Okay.
So those are
and obviously on
numbers.
social media too.
On
they can
social
still
media,
reach
you
out.
can reach us on Facebook.
Okay.
You can reach us on Instagram, LinkedIn, and then X.
Okay.
You can have it. So everything you see on here.
Yeah, everything is there, man. And as he's saying, you know, let's reiterate, this is the celebrations in Cape Town from the 26th to the 31st, you know, of August, just $1,500, and the experiences are crazy, you know, including the flights. There's a private airport transfer. There's 4 nights hotel, daily breakfast, you know, the Cape Town city tour. That's really, really going to be cool. I'm seeing Table Mountain and the cable car.
Exactly.
Oh, that's going to be so cool. And the wine lands and wine tasting. And the coolest thing, I think, you know, of all this is the people you're actually going to get to meet.
Yeah.
Because once you get those phone numbers and you meet people, it's for life.
Man, it's for life.
It's for life.
It's for life.
It's for life. It's for life.
Man.
I want to go for the
priceless.
Instagram, man. I want to post on Snapchat and all of that. So
see
I'm going to
that.
find my way.
You see
Nee,
the
thank
man,
you so
man.
much for coming
It's
through.
been amazing
I'm hoping we
having you.
have you on some more, you know, to talk about the importance of traveling.
Oh yeah,
'Cause
yeah.
like I said,
Anytime,
it's really
anytime.
cool. Thank you
I'm
so
ready
much for
you.
coming.
Travel
through.
Planners is there for you.
Yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to continue to keep these numbers up there. We're going to speak about them some more in case you guys want to tell someone to be a part of this. Very, very simple. And I'm assuming before you do leave us, from loved ones, families, anyone can be a part of this, right?
So I call them the scammers of travel planners. My crew that I work with, Julia, Eleanor, Mercy, the team lead, and then Hannah also in there. Also my family back home, and then my dad who just celebrated his birthday is now 82 years. So.
Wow, man! Congrats to him, man.
And my family back home. One of my uncles, we call him the Don. His uncle Reggie.
Nice.
Yeah,
Nice,
he's his inspiration to the family, so everybody loves him. So all my loved ones out there, my wife, my small boy, Nia J.
Shout out to Nia J, man. That's my guy. Nee, thank you so much for
You're
coming.
welcome,
God
bro.
bless you once again. I do have
Yes.
to let him go. And like I said, we're going to give you guys information from time to time. Send us a DM if you have any questions find them on social media. Travel Planners GH on all platforms, as you can see right there. Again, any questions, they're going to answer it for you. And yeah, that's how simple it is. If you want to go to South Africa, this year to have the best time of your life. Again, I do have to let him go. I have Small God coming. He's got a new project out there. Stay tuned in. We'll be right back.
All right, cool.